Hello, my name is Mehak Dhoka. I completed my 12th standard from NM College, Mumbai. I had enrolled for NPAT, Christ, and Symbiosis. I converted at NMIMS and Christ University, and the results for Symbiosis is yet to come. My dream to join Endeavour was to gain excellence and to get into the one of the best colleges of India for my undergraduation. Highly satisfied because NMIMS was my top priority, and I'm very gladly to say that I converted NPAT this year. So I joined Endeavour in September. I thoroughly attended each and every class Endeavour provided with all the guides, all the manuals, all the books regarding quant, logic, English, and Endeavour helped me through each and every topic in each subject, and helped me understand various types of questions. It gave me a way that how different exams can be cracked and how simply can you solve the questions within few seconds. It was very helpful. So Endeavour suggested me that I should first complete and focus on my chapter wise completion, focusing on different topics in each sector. Then it helped me, it guided me that I should complete my test, like how to say, topic wise test, then attempt 30 minutes to 40 minutes test, but they were so helpful that you come to know how to attempt questions under pressure. There were several mocks that were provided to us for different universities. For NMIMS, Christ, I attempted all the mocks trying to understand how the pattern works, and while I was attempting mock and when I actually attempted my NPAT exam, they were almost the same. I'll say the difficulty level was to the point, and I felt that it was not something that was new. I was feeling that I'm giving a mock itself. I was not underconfident, and Endeavour mocks was so helpful that I could not feel the pressure during the exam. Initially, I was pretty scared how everything will be cooked up and everything, but every Endeavour managed it very like skillfully and professionally. Every day we used to get our mails regarding the weekly schedules, the Zoom meetings to be conducted. Every topic was like conducted and repeated and revised on a daily basis. The mentors helped us to understand what were our weaknesses and overcome through. Pandemic was a different scenario, so the Zoom meetings, all the feedback forms that we used to do, the discussion of mocks that we have already solved, the reinforcement essential, all the tests that we have given, the mentors would help us to understand each and every question, even through virtually. So first, initially, the mentors helped us, like what questions are usually asked in the interview, how you should reply tactfully so that you're not cross-questioned about something that you don't know. So we had at least 2 to 3 mock interviews that was taken by our mentors, and it was very helpful because the questions that were asked were very similar. The questions that our mentors taught, or the basic answers that we can say, was very similar to the questions that were actually asked in my Christ PI. My feedback or my advice to them would be focus on your strengths, focus where you can gain as much as you can. Try to break down things, try to solve as many mocks as you can, try to understand which chapter you're weak with, which chapters you have to work with. And my greatest tip is always share with your mentors. They know what's right for you. Endeavour helped me to start something that will I remember for my entire life. It helped me. It made it like created a milestone in my career because joining an esteemed university like NMIMS was only possible through Endeavor's efforts.